Minnesota COVID-19 Weekly Statistical Update. Updated April 22, 2021. COVID-19 Weekly Update. All data is current for April 15th through April 21st, 2021, covering a 7-day period. Data is for cases that were tested and returned positive. All data is preliminary and may change as cases are investigated. Many data points are collected during case interviews. Data presented below is for all cases regardless of interview status. Testing results. Testing numbers show how many total tests have been done for people who live in Minnesota. Some people get tested more than once. Testing data is reported per test to account for changes in testing capacity for individuals who are tested more than once over the course of a pandemic. There were 237,187 completed tests, 201,541 completed PCR tests, and 35,646 completed antigen tests reported, up 0.27%, totaling 8,948,654 cumulative tests. Positive testing results. Positive PCR tests are considered confirmed cases. Positive antigen test results are considered probable cases. All probable cases get the same public health follow-up and recommendations as cases confirmed by PCR tests. There were 12,590 positive cases, 10,659 confirmed positive PCR cases, and 1,931 probable antigen positive cases reported, down 14.05%, totaling 562,420 cumulative cases. The top 5 counties reporting in the last 7 days. 1. Hennepin with 2,561 confirmed cases, down 14.09%, totaling 117,078 cases. 2. Ramsey with 1,120 confirmed cases, down 3.61%, totaling 48,500 cases. 3. Dakota with 1,128 confirmed cases, down 10.97%, totaling 43,135 cases. 4. Anoka with 1,094 confirmed cases, down 11.99%, totaling 39,159 cases. 5. Washington with 549 confirmed cases, down 23.54%, totaling 25,272 cases. The top 5 age groups based off of number of total cases updated in the last 7 days. 1. 20 to 24 years old with 1,117 cases, down 12.67%, totaling 54,825 cases. 2. 25 to 29 years old with 1,071 cases, down 16%, totaling 50,014 cases. 3. 30 to 34 years old with 1,115 cases, down 10.87%, totaling 47,080 cases. 4. 15 to 19 years old with 1,255 cases, down 12.42%, totaling 45,312 cases. 5. 35 to 39 years old with 1,073 cases, down 13.75%, totaling 45,296 cases. Positivity rates. Number of tests and percentage positive by date of laboratory testing. Only tests reported by laboratories reporting both positive and negative results are included in positivity calculations. Numbers include both PCR and antigen tests. A 7-day positivity rate of 5.31% is recorded when factoring the percent of positive tests from the total number of tests. Hospitalization statistics. Hospitalization data show how many people required admission to a hospital and ICU. Admissions include all Minnesota cases, regardless of location of hospitalization. Cases in residents of other states hospitalized in Minnesota are not included. Numbers include confirmed and probable cases. There were 727 individuals hospitalized, down 4.84%, totaling 29,477 cumulative hospitalizations, and 131 ICU hospitalizations, down 8.39%, totaling 6,006 cumulative ICU hospitalizations. Patients no longer needing isolation represents individuals with confirmed COVID-19 who no longer need to self-isolate. There were 14,160 patients no longer needing isolation, down 6.22%, totaling 538,450 patients. Fatality statistics. Total deaths are deaths due to COVID-19 with a positive PCR test or antigen test for SARS-CoV-2, and either COVID-19 is listed on a death certificate or clinical history or autopsy findings that provide evidence that the death is related to COVID-19 without an alternative cause. There were 65 deaths, down 2.99%, totaling 7,054 cumulative deaths. Top 5 age groups based off of total number of deaths updated in the last 7 days. 1. 85 to 89 years old with 7 deaths, up 0%, totaling 1,310 deaths. 2. 90 to 94 years old with 10 deaths, down 9.09%, totaling 1,149 deaths. 3. 80 to 84 years old with 8 deaths, down 11.11%, totaling 1,140 deaths. 4. 75 to 79 years old with 8 deaths, up 33.33%, totaling 842 deaths. 5. 70 to 74 years old with 4 deaths, down 20%, totaling 692 deaths. Remember that no matter what you're doing or where you are, wear a face covering, stay 6 feet apart, and wash your hands. Stay safe, Minnesota.